Welcome to Webo World and like, share and subscribe for more videos.
Okay, let's start with a cell. The definition of cell is a basic, structural, functional and biological unit of all living organism. Robert Hooke in 1665 discovered the cell. How cell is called as basic structural unit of living organism. The cell fuse to form tissue, the tissue fuse to form organ, and the various organ form organ system, and organ system form the body of living organism. Hence the cell is called as basic structural unit of living organism. What are the characteristics of cells? Okay, so it provides structure and support to the body of an organism. The nucleus contains genetic information, and every cell has its own nucleus and membrane bound organelles in the cytoplasm. So what are the membrane bound organelles present in the cytoplasm? They are mitochondria, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. And there are two types of cell, that is prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Okay, we are discussing about cell structure. The basic component of the cell is cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus and cell organelles. We will discuss separately all these components. First one is cell wall. In plant cells, the cell wall is the most prominent part. It is the outermost covering, and the cell wall is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin. It protects the plasma membrane and other cellular components, that is cell organelles. It is rigid and stiff structure surrounding the cell membrane. What is the function of the cell wall? Okay, so the function of the cell wall is to provide shape and support to the cells and protect them from mechanical shocks and injury. Below is the rough figure of plant cell. There is a cell wall, below that there is a cell membrane. Cell membrane. Cell membrane support and protect the cell. It controls the movement of substance in and out of the cells. The unique feature of the cell membrane is it separates the cell from external environment, and the cell membrane is present in all the cells. It may be either eukaryotic or prokaryotic. Next, cell membrane includes cytoplasm and other organelles, and hence it is called as plasma membrane. It forms the wall-like structure between two cells and as well as between the cells and its surrounding. Plants are immobile, they cannot move, and hence so their cell structure are well adapted to protect them from external factor. Function of the cell membrane is to protect the internal organs, and it is selectively permeable. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is thick, clear, jelly-like substance present inside the cell membrane. Most of chemical reaction take place in the cytoplasm. The cell organelles such as ER, that is endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles, mitochondria, ribosomes are suspended in the cytoplasm. Next, nucleus. The nucleus contains hereditary material of the cell, that is DNA, and hence it is called as controlling center of the cell, that is it controls the all vital activities, and also it sends signals to the cell to grow, mature, divide and die. The nucleus is surrounded by nuclear envelope that separate the DNA from the rest of the cell. The nucleus protects the DNA and is integral component of a plant cell structure. And the nucleus is also known as headquarter of the cell as it controls the all vital activities. Cell organelles. Cell organelles are membrane bound structure present inside the cell which perform specific function. First cell organelle is nucleus. In nucleus, there is a nucleolus. Nucleolus is the site of ribosome synthesis, and also it involved in controlling cellular activities and cellular reproduction. Okay, as you know that nucleus is the controlling center of the cell. The nucleus has its own nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane protects the nucleus by forming a boundary between the nucleus and other cell organelles. The next cell organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. ER involved in transportation of substance throughout the cell. It plays a primary role in the metabolism of carbohydrates, synthesis of lipids, steroids, and proteins. Next organelle is Golgi body. It is also called as Golgi apparatus. Golgi body are called as cell post office as it is involved in transportation of material is done within the cell, and also packaging of material is also done in the cell in the Golgi body. And next organelle is ribosome. Ribosomes are protein synthesizer of the cell. Next organelle is mitochondria. The mitochondria produce energy, that is ATP molecule, adenosine triphosphate, and hence the mitochondria is called as powerhouse of the cell. Next organelle is lysosome. Lysosome protect the cell by engulfing the foreign bodies entering the cell and helps in cell renewal, and hence it is called as suicide bag. Next one is chloroplast. Chloroplast are the primary organelle for photosynthesis. It contains the pigment chlorophyll. It helps in photosynthesis by capturing the light and perform photosynthesis. Next one is vacuoles. Vacuoles store food, water, and other waste material in the cell.